this up a little bit. But anyways, if you're new here, you gotta leave a big thumbs up and subscribe for more 300ZX, 370Z content. My name is Danny. This is my twin turbo 370Z. 300ZX, not 370. My name is Danny. This is my twin turbo Nissan 300ZX. It's a build here on the channel. Still has a lot of work to do, but be sure to subscribe so you can watch more content. With that said, I don't have anything else to say. Enjoy today's POV. Welcome back to the 300ZX, baby! Okay. What the heck? That's so fun, dude. I am so happy to have the 300 back. But in case you're new here, a few things about my car. It is a twin turbo 2+0 T-top from 1992. It is fully straight pipe. It does have blow-off valves, so the sounds you're gonna get are absolutely incredible. It is only pushing 9 PSI right now, not 14 because it's not tuned yet. But with that said, straight pipe, cool turbo noises, 5-speed manual. Nissan 2+0, let's get it. Just set up the GoPro right there. If that falls out, it was worth it for the shot. I think my favorite thing about driving this car is it takes me back to a time where I didn't even live. Man, I feel like I'm in the 90s. Every time I drive this, I feel like I just want to start speaking Japanese or something, dude. We've done a crap ton of POVs with the 370Z. We have never done one with the 300ZX. And now that Lizzie's finally back, I feel like it's finally time. Honestly though, let me know if you guys want to see like once a week, I can just do like a 3-minute, 4-minute POV video of just like one of the cars. And just like we can find cool roads around where I live. Honestly, there really isn't many, but we can figure something out. And that could be like the weekly, once a week POV video. And I also just bought a new GoPro. That's mainly why I'm doing this one. So I'm really excited. Woo, man, what a drive. What a drive, man. From 92, but it drives hella good. middle of the road. We gotta hurry. Okay, just for the video, just for the boys. And we got a, all right. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Oh my God. That's why people like me shouldn't have this, cause like, yo, is that? Oh my God. Brakes? Ooh. Oh wait, there isn't even the place. Get off your boat! With that said, I'm just gonna end off today's video. Leave a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more POV with the 300ZX or the 370Z, let me know down below. Leave a comment. If you made it this far into the video, comment down below ZX. Subscribe if you're new. And with that said, I'll see you guys next time. And also, I'm working on something really awesome for the channel and for the community we built. So I'm so excited for it. Peace out and hasta luego. Oh, exhaust sound.